Hello, my name is Philip Hofer. I live in Southern California in the United States. I'm retired from work with international students, and one international student that I got to know back in 1998 and 1999 was then a young man by the name of Calon Mansnembra. Calvin came to complete a degree in business, and he did that. He worked hard and faithfully on his business degree. Calvin also worked with me in the international office, and I'm very grateful for that good and hard work that he did then. Calvin, I know, is back in his home country, in his community, carrying on, contributing in many different ways. I know he's hoping to serve his community in the future, and I wish Calvin the very best as he does that. Thank you, Calvin, and again, best wishes. Goodbye.